Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable RemoveMe services opt-out requests, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable RemoveMe services opt-out requests, start by visiting their official website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see various options. Look for the opt-out section in the menu. Click on Request Opt-out. You will be prompted to enter your personal information for the opt-out process. Fill in the required fields accurately. Ensure that you provide the correct email address associated with your online accounts. Select the specific services or data brokers you wish to opt out from. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, click on Submit Request. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Open the email and verify your opt-out request. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email. Check back on the dashboard to monitor the status of your requests. If needed, repeat the process for any additional services. Be sure to keep a record of all your opt-out requests for future reference. Remember that it may take some time for your opt-out requests to process fully. Regularly check your accounts for any new activity. Stay vigilant and repeat the opt-out process if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.